In this video, we'll look at x and y intercepts. And x and y intercepts are just where a graph intercepts or crosses the x or y axis. So an x-intercept occurs when, if it's crossing the x-axis, y equals 0. So we can plug in y equals 0 into our equation and solve for x. So what I can do is I can say 3x plus 2 times 0 equals 6. Well, 2 times 0 will cancel, and I'll have 3x equals 6. Divide by 3, and I have x equals 2. So now we have that our x-intercept, where we intercept the x-axis, is where x equals 2. So I can put a point right there. And there's my 2, 0. Y is 0, plug in 0, and we solve and we get 2. For a y-intercept, very similar idea, but instead of y equaling 0, we can say x equals 0. And we'll just plug in 0 for x, substitute in 0 for x, and then solve. So we have 3 times 0 plus 2y equals 6. 3 times 0 is 0, so that cancels. And we have 2y equals 6. Divide by 2, and we find that our x-intercept is, our y-intercept is at y equals 3. So I'm intercepting the y-axis at 3. 1, 2, 3. And we already know that that point's going to be 3, 0. Or, oops, got those mixed up. 0, 3. And now that we have 2 points, we can graph the line. And that is how we can use x and y intercepts to help us graph.